Well, good morning, everybody. I'm jumping on today. It's super rainy here in Georgia, but I didn't want to miss the opportunity to teach a little bit about rosemary that's in that winter protection kit and give you some real life uses, some things that would make sense to be able to use the oil. And so rosemary, just a little background on rosemary. It's from an evergreen shrub whose leaves are frequently used. We know it's one that we use with herbs for cooking, for stuffings, porks, roast lambs, chicken, and turkey. So there is a lot of culinary applications to rosemary, but it does have a lot of benefits that we really enjoy. So it does really support a healthy digestion and your internal organ function. Long revered by experts, rosemary is considered very sacred by the Greeks, the Romans, the Egyptians, and the Hebrew cultures. So it has a very energizing scent that is frequently used in aromatherapy. And you can take this oil internally to help reduce nervous tension and occasional fatigue. So let me give you some fun facts. So doTERRA's oils rosemary are sourced from Morocco and Spain. And you can use it all three ways. You can use it aromatic, we talked about the scent, right? You can use it topical, and you can also use it in internal. It takes about 2 pounds of plant material to produce a 15 ml bottle of rosemary. And there are 396 studies that have been published about the benefits of rosemary. Now, rosemary was traditionally considered a good omen for a marital bond and the blossoming of a family. So in the Middle Ages, brides would wear rosemary headpieces, while the grooms and the wedding guests would wear twigs of rosemaries on their chest. Okay, so that was kind of a neat inside fact. So it has molecular compounds like alpinine and camphor, and hopefully I can say this right. It's basically eucalyptol, which is 1,8 cinnamol is what it says. It's known for cleansing, soothing, and relaxing. It blends extremely well with oils like lemon, cypress, geranium, basil, and of course eucalyptus, which I kind of feel like is kind of his cousin because it has the eucalyptol in it. But let me give you some ideas of how you can use rosemary. So of course you can use it in your food in replacement of the herb. You're going to want to probably play around with it. Maybe a drop might be too much, so maybe a toothpick in it and then swirl it in your food. But you can combine rosemary and frankincense with some Epsom salts, and that actually is a really nice bath, very relaxing, very soothing. You can add rosemary to your shampoo for healthy looking hair. So if you have a whole container of shampoo, put about 5 drops into the shampoo and that will help out. Now, rosemary blends really well with tea tree and basil for a scalp massage, okay? And as you're helping if you have issues with the scalp, right? Anything like dry skin, dandruff, those kind of things, you know, that's going to be a good way to support the scalp. It also blends really well with wintergreen, and you can use it with coconut oil and use it for a massage, a soothing massage. And then of course you can diffuse it with lavender. Lavender and rosemary smell amazing together. And let's see, there's lots of diffuser blends. Which one do I want to give you? Because we are in, let's see, a rainy time right now and there's no clouds. Let's talk about morning sunshine. So here's a diffuser recipe for you. 2 drops rosemary, 3 drops lemon, and 1 drop Motivate. So hopefully that gives you an idea of what you can put on your diffuser today so you can use your rosemary before it comes in that winter protection kit. Now, a couple of other things. So if you're going to use it for cooking, you can mix 1 drop of rosemary with a 1/2 cup of chicken broth, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1 chopped onion, 1 green bell pepper, and 2.5 pounds of pork roast. And you can put that in your crock pot and for about 4.5, 5 hours, and it's gonna taste amazing. And so that's just kind of an example of how you can use it in your recipe. So, and then let's see, we already talked about that and Massage. Let me make sure I got everything else. Oh, and then there is also, you can do a hair spray to help with healthy hair. So you just get a 8-ounce glass spray bottle, and you're going to fill it 3 parts up with distilled water, 2.5 tablespoons of vegetable glycerin, 1 tablespoon of fractionated coconut oil, and 1 tablespoon of rose water. Okay, and 2 drops of ylang-ylang and 3 drops of rosemary. You put that all in your bottle. You're going to shake it really well, and then you can spray it over damp hair after you normally shampoo and conditioner it. You don't want to rinse it. You just style your hair as normal, and that's going to help support your hair so you have nice, beautiful long hair. So with that, you have an opportunity to get the winter protection kit all month long until it sells out. And we will discuss tomorrow. We're going to talk about Breathe and the pedal diffuser, the last 2 items in that kit. So you don't want to miss that kit. It's a great kit that you can get to help with keeping your family healthy this winter. So take care, my friends. Bye.